People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, Wagwan, welcome back to my channel once again. Big up in yourself and thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about how the Manchester police foiled a murder attempt in Manchester, people. So I'm getting this article from the Gleaner as usual, people. So it goes on to say the Manchester police on Sunday foiled a murder in the community of Greenvale, killing one of the gunmen involved in the plot. Another gunman was arrested and a weapon reportedly seized. According to the police, about 2:30 p.m., they received information that men armed with guns were heading to Greenvale to commit a murder. The police say they immediately responded and intercepted the gunmen at a section of the Winston Jones Highway near the entrance to Greenvale. The gunmen ran into nearby bushes and challenged the police, who returned the fire, killing one of them. He has been identified as Andrew Anthony Chambers, a farm district in Spurtree, Manchester. The police say the cop was injured in the crossfire when a bullet hit his ballistic vest. He was visibly shaken as the police took control of the scene. Another cop was injured by a piece of stick. Both have since received medical attention. Meanwhile, the second gunman is now in police custody. The police are probing reports that a third man was involved. Videos taken by onlookers show the police removing the body of one of the men over barbed wire fence, while the other was being guarded by a cop in plain clothes. Yeah, people, so this story actually happened yesterday, people, and I'm so grateful that the police was able to intercept these people and another innocent person never lose them life. Because them man wake up and get up and decide they'd say, yo, on a Sunday, them are going to commit a murder, them are going to kill somebody. And you people, I'm just glad how it turned out. I'm glad the way the police them intercepted it. And I'm glad these men are off the street. So I'm telling the people, pay for you to go out there and try kill off people and commit crime. Live by the gun, you're going to die by the gun, you see me? So once again, people, police in Manchester foiled a possible murder attempt in the parish. Big shout out to the Jamaica Constabulary Force for doing a remarkable job in this, people, alright? Big up in yourself, people. So, people, this other news article is coming out of Kingston, people, where it's been reported police have found different body parts of somebody scattered all over sections of Kingston, people. They found a leg in the road, and this one them find a hand on a doorstep, people. Yeah, people, them man, I don't know what going on with them, yo. So it's a fear and trembling as severed hand turns up on doorstep, people. You see me? Goes on to say Clayton Wright, who uses a cane, struggled out of his bed Friday morning to find a hand on the front porch of the tenement yard at 15 West Avenue in Kingston, where several persons reside. The discovery, Wright said, caused him to move the fastest he had in his entire life. The 6:30 a.m. bone-chilling experience has since traumatized the 64-year-old. Wright said that he has since had trouble sleeping, opting to spend much of the time at a nearby bar and hangout spot instead of going back to the location. The police have confirmed the morbid find in Kingston Gardens. Over on Red Hills Road in St. Andrew, residents also woke up to find severed leg along the thoroughfare half an hour earlier. The incident was reported to the Constant Spring police. It is not clear whether the hand and leg are from the same person. Wright said he was shocked when he overheard a woman and a neighbor, "Come let me show you the one hand," but he never really believed that the source of consternation would really turn out to be a severed limb in the corridor. Me just grab my stick and pull away out of the yard. Me make a quick dash because me no want no police come question me. Me scared. All know me no sleep. Sleep where? Me see dead man already, but me never yet see hand chop off, he told the Gleaner. Another resident of Kingston Gardens who gave his name as Crackers was equally puzzled by the discovery as Wright and others in the community. Crackers said that the find was especially frightening because it occurred a short distance from the Jamaica Constabulary Force Band Division and Law practice of former Kingston Central Member of Parliament Ronald Thwaites. He remembers light-heartedly how fleet-footedly Wright scampered from the yard after the sight. From him spot the hand, he moved fast. To how he moved fast, he probably could run a 100-meter race. Crackers himself got a glimpse of the hand, but was startled that it bore no blood, suggesting it had not just been severed. Kingston Gardens has grown lonely at nightfall, said Crackers. He now wonders whether the grisly find might be evidence of a ritual. It's like them a move out the body in pieces because from Kingston Gardens to Red Hills Road is a far distance. One dog couldn't draw one hand from Red Hills Road come a Kingston. And he's correct. Somebody do it and I don't know if they might try send out warning. I don't know if because them a dash body parts different sections of the area. So I don't know how I go on people. I don't know who I go on in Jamaica. Man a chop off man limb and a dash it to like so. Jah know people. I just hope and pray them can catch who has been doing this. You see me people? Let me know in the comment section when you think about this people. Much love. In other news people, two cousins shot dead in MOBAY people. It's a Montego Bay St. James. Despite the strong presence of police and soldiers in St. James, two cousins were shot dead and another man shot and injured in a motor vehicle when rampaging gunmen pounced upon them at a traffic light on the busy Iron Shore Road on Saturday. The cousins have been identified as 28-year-old Odain Satahu, otherwise called Tanny, and 25-year-old entertainer Damian Coleman, otherwise called SK, both of Paradise in Norwood, St. James. The Constabulary's Corporate Communication Unit reported that about 5 p.m., 3 men and a woman were traveling in a Nissan motor car when they stopped at a traffic light. 3 armed men traveling a Toyota Voxy motor vehicle approached the Nissan motor car and sprayed the vehicle with bullets, hitting 3 of the occupants. The police were summoned and the victims were taken to hospital where Satahu and Coleman were pronounced dead, while the other man was admitted in serious condition. Coleman's mother, Tracy Street, said her son was returning from Ocheria St. Anne, where he had gone to complete a video shoot for one of his latest songs when the gunman struck. She described her son as a humble individual who was passionate about his music career. So Jano people them pounce up on the man them at the light in a traffic, busy thoroughfare, and them still shoot up the car like them man I'm not gonna lie, them man are heartless and nah nothing about them people. Nothing about them, Normally you'd have to worry, say, a nighttime gunman strike or a nighttime this might happen. No, it's like the man them no business. It's like they no business. What time of the day, what time of the night. If they want a person, they might go get him. It's just sad that Jamaica come to. Me I tell the people, Jano. People, just leave some comments in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about what's going on in Jamaica with all this crime and violence, people. Drop some comments and let me know anything, people. Much love and appreciation. And thank you guys for tuning in as usual. Big up in yourself, people.